Let me tell you a story from the Bible days, over in the book of Daniel on the burning plains. Old King Neb said, bow down, worship me today. But three young men said, King, we'll serve God anyway. I see four men walking in the fire tonight. One looks like the Son of God shining bright. Flames all around, but they're standing free. When God walks in the fire, He's walking with me. Into the furnace they were thrown in chains. The fire was roaring like a runaway train. The king looked in and rubbed his eyes in fear. Said, didn't we throw three men in there? I see four men walking in the fire tonight. Looks like the Son of God shining bright. Flames all around, but they're standing free. When God walks in the fire, He's walking with me. Smoke on their clothes, and the same God who stood with them way back then, He'll walk through the fire with you again. I see four men walking in the fire tonight. One looks like the Son of God shining bright. When the flames rise high and the heat draws near, He's still walking in the fire. There's no need to fear.